How you can download iPhone apps without an Apple ID. Phonebulance.com. Hey guys, welcome back to Phonebulance, and in today's video, we're going to teach you how to hack the unhackable. That's right, we got the insider knowledge on how to sidestep iTunes and all the registration drama that comes along with it. Before we get started though, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can check out our other fun videos. Okay, let's go. Maybe you're privacy conscious. Maybe you're not a huge fan of paying for overpriced apps. Maybe you're just sick of typing in your password every 3 seconds. We're not here to judge, but we are here to let you in on some little iPhone secrets that can get you up and downloading in no time. There's 4 ways we've uncovered to download iOS apps and games without an Apple ID, and we're going to explore all of them. iOS Emu. The first third-party solution is a handy little app called iOS Emu. It's basically an app installer emulator that not only works without an Apple ID, but it has a massive catalog of apps and games that aren't approved for sale on the iTunes App Store. It's here you'll find a library of popular Apple apps, some of which have been slightly modified and tweaked for your enjoyment. The iOS Emu is easy to install, regularly updated, and unlike its Cydia predecessor, it doesn't require your phone to be jailbroken in order for it to work. Unfortunately, the performance of the app can be a little unstable, and users are advised to uninstall and reinstall every month or so. Search for iOS Emu and download the app binary direct from the page. You'll need to allow the app to be installed despite it not being an official Apple program. If not prompted, head to Settings, General, Profiles and Device Management, Trust to verify the installation. While you're on this settings page, you also have to install an app profile. Tap on the iOS Emu profile and enable it. If you see a pop-up about an app or certificate not being signed, you need to accept it. Tutu Helper. Similar to iOS Emu, the Tutu Helper family of programs is another premium app store completely separate from iTunes. Where Tutu Helper really excels is their modded library. Not only can you download premium apps for free, but all of the in-app purchases have already been bought. No need to spend hundreds of dollars on micro purchases. A lot of the modded apps are fully stocked and ready to go. Just Google search Tutu Helper and download the plist file. When the app is installed on your phone, go to the settings on your iOS device and click on General, Profiles and Device Management, and Trust to verify the installation. That's it, you're ready to explore the catalog of free apps to download straight to your phone. The Tutu Helper is lightweight, weighing in at only 17 megabytes, way less than the Apple App Store and even the Android Play Store, and regularly updates their repositories with the newer versions of apps and games. Jailbreak your phone. A word of warning, jailbreaking your iPhone is not for the faint-hearted. It also technically voids any warranty you have on the device. Only attempt jailbreaking your iPhone if you are tech literate, have done a bunch of research, and have backed up your iPhone just in case. For those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, jailbreaking your iPhone involves force-loading a piece of software onto the iPhone to unlock hidden features, customization, and allow access as an admin to the root operating system. While it's amazing for customizing your phone's icons, wallpaper, layout, UI, and behaviors, there's a whole host of problems that an inexperienced user can face if they simply don't know what they're doing. Fortunately, jailbreaking has become easier over the years, and there are a dozen different tools that can take you through the entire process in under 15 minutes. Once your phone is jailbroken, you have access to alternative app stores and a range of core customizations. But beware, unfortunately there are some nasty people out there that deploy malicious apps under the disguise of free premium apps. While the App Store ecosystem may be restrictive, it is so Apple can ensure the quality and safety of apps. You won't get that with jailbroken apps. Use an older version of iTunes. The real alternative that works, will not void your warranty, and maintains the safety and security of your phone is to use an older version of iTunes. While the App Store was missing from iTunes 12.7, Apple retrospectively re-released iTunes 12.6.3. To install this version, simply head to the link we've provided in the comment description and download and install iTunes 12.6.3. Connect, register, and sync as you normally would. From here, you can download legitimate apps through the store without an Apple ID. These apps can then be transferred to your iPhone or iPad through the sync functionality. Using iTunes 12.6.3 is a far better alternative than jailbreaking or using third-party app installers. iTunes may be restrictive, but there's a reason behind this. They want a safe ecosystem and want to control the quality of apps that operate within its environment. And that's it for ways to download iPhone apps without an Apple ID. Please like this video and let us know in the comments if you've used any of these sneaky hacks to get the apps and games you want. Remember to subscribe and share this video if you want more content just like this. See you next time.